It's your girl Danielle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this amazing smoothie using collagen water. Stay watching. I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
A half a cup of the blue stuff. A half a cup of milk. A spoonful of vanilla yogurt. 1 banana. This is gonna give me that nice creaminess that I need. A 1/4 cup of blueberries. Alright, so I'm back with my straw. I'm sorry, guys. I got my straw. Let's taste. Oh my Lord. This is amazing. Guys, this reaction is not one of those, oh, it's amazing. This is so yummy. Wow. Okay. I know how I'm gonna use the rest of this. This is so good when you mix it in with all that stuff. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, leave comments below, and drop a question if you have questions. And don't forget, keep the video suggestions coming on in. Remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, ciao.